Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. How are you all? My name is Muhammad Sajid. I am from Pakistan. I am a certified Quran Tajweed, Tafsir and Islamic Studies teacher with more than 8 years of teaching experience. I completed Hifz Quran in 2005, a Tajweed course in 2007, and complete Dars Nizami from Jamia Darul Uloom Karachi in 2016. In 2024, I also completed my master's degree in Islamic Studies from the University of Sawat. I have taught Quran, Tafsir, Tajweed, and Islamic subjects in different institutions. My teaching is easy to understand and I focus on students' needs and level. If you want learn Quran, Tajweed, Tafsir and Islamic subjects, I am here to help you. I look forward to seeing you. Thank you.